Most gardeners plant seeds and hope for a good harvest, but experienced growers understand something deeper. The secret to growing more food is not working harder. It is starting at the right time. April is a powerful turning point in the growing season. A few simple decisions made now can influence plant strength, root development, and harvest size for months ahead. Small improvements applied at the right moment can quietly multiply results. In this video, you will discover a simple method that can help your garden produce more food from the same space, using natural and practical techniques that support steady, healthy growth throughout the season. 1. Prepare the soil for maximum growth. Strong plant growth always begins below the surface, long before leaves become greener or stems become stronger. Healthy soil is not simply dirt that holds a plant upright. It is a living environment that directly influences how successfully a plant can grow, how efficiently it can absorb nutrients, and how well it can resist stress throughout the season. When soil conditions are right, plants do not struggle to survive. Instead, they develop steadily, naturally, and with greater productivity. April is an especially important period because soil begins to warm after colder months. As temperatures rise gradually, beneficial microorganisms that were less active during winter start to become active again. These microscopic life forms play a very important role in breaking down organic matter into nutrients that plants can absorb. When soil biology becomes active, the entire growing system begins to function more efficiently. This is why improving soil structure in April can influence plant growth for many months ahead. The first step is to gently loosen the top layer of soil. Over time, soil can become compacted due to watering, rain, or natural settling. Compacted soil restricts air movement and limits root expansion. Roots require both oxygen and space to grow properly. When soil becomes too dense, roots struggle to spread and plant development slows down. By loosening the top layer carefully, air can move more freely into the soil, allowing roots to breathe and expand without resistance. Improved air circulation also encourages beneficial organisms to become more active, which supports natural nutrient availability. After loosening the soil, the next step is to enrich it with organic matter. Organic matter improves both the physical and biological quality of soil. Materials such as decomposed leaves, mature compost, and natural plant residue gradually break down and release nutrients over time. Unlike synthetic inputs that may provide short-term effects, organic matter contributes to long-term soil improvement. It enhances the soil's ability to retain moisture, while also allowing excess water to drain properly, creating a balanced environment for root development. Organic material also improves soil texture. Soil that contains a healthy amount of organic matter becomes easier for roots to penetrate. It creates small pockets where air and moisture can remain available. This balance between air and moisture is essential because roots require both conditions to function effectively. When roots can grow without restriction, they explore a larger area of soil, increasing the plant's ability to access nutrients and water. Another advantage of organic matter is its ability to support stable microbial activity. Beneficial microorganisms help convert complex organic compounds into simpler forms that plants can absorb. This natural process creates a slow and continuous supply of nutrients, preventing sudden imbalances. As a result, plants receive steady nourishment rather than experiencing periods of deficiency followed by excess. Many gardeners concentrate only on feeding the plant directly, often overlooking the importance of preparing the soil environment first. However, the soil acts as the primary support system for plant life. Improving soil conditions allows plants to develop naturally without constant intervention. When soil structure is balanced, plants become more adaptable to environmental changes, such as temperature fluctuations or irregular watering patterns. April soil preparation is not complicated, yet it provides long-term advantages. By improving soil structure early in the season, plants establish stronger root systems that continue supporting growth throughout the months ahead. Strong roots anchor plants securely, improve nutrient absorption, and contribute to healthier overall development. When plants begin their growth cycle in supportive soil conditions, they are more likely to produce consistent and abundant yields. Healthy soil does not produce results immediately in visible form, but its impact becomes clear over time. Plants grown in well-prepared soil often demonstrate more stable growth, improved leaf development, and stronger resilience. Taking the time to improve soil quality in April creates a reliable foundation that supports the entire growing season. A well-prepared soil environment allows plants to focus their energy on development rather than survival, increasing the potential for a more productive and satisfying harvest. 2. Use natural nutrition at the right time. After preparing healthy soil, the next important step is providing plants with balanced natural nutrition at the right stage of growth. In April, most plants begin to enter an active development phase. During this period, plants focus on producing new leaves, extending stems, and strengthening their root systems. This stage requires steady nourishment so that plants can build strong internal structures that will later support flowers, fruits, and larger harvests. Natural nutrition works in harmony with soil biology. Instead of forcing rapid growth, natural feeding encourages gradual and stable development. When plants grow steadily, their tissues become stronger, their leaves develop better structure, and their roots expand more efficiently. This type of balanced growth allows plants to become more resilient to environmental stress, such as heat, irregular watering, or changes in weather conditions. One of the main advantages of natural nutrition is that it supports both the plant and the soil simultaneously. Many organic liquids contain mild nutrients that are easily absorbed without overwhelming the root zone. Gentle plant-based liquids, compost-derived solutions, or diluted organic extracts can provide small amounts of essential elements that contribute to steady plant progress. These nutrients assist in the formation of chlorophyll, the development of stems, and the expansion of root networks. Timing is extremely important when applying nutrition. In early growth stages, plants do not require excessive feeding. Overfeeding at the beginning can create imbalances that slow development rather than improve it. Instead, small and consistent nourishment allows plants to adjust naturally. Balanced nutrition encourages roots to search for nutrients within the soil, which strengthens the root structure and improves long-term stability. Liquid-based natural nutrition can be particularly useful because it distributes nutrients evenly throughout the root zone. When applied correctly, mild organic liquids help maintain soil activity without disturbing beneficial microorganisms. This creates a cooperative environment where both soil life and plant roots work together. Healthy microbial activity improves nutrient availability, which allows plants to absorb what they need more efficiently. Consistent feeding schedules often produce better outcomes than irregular, heavy applications. Plants respond positively when they receive predictable care. Regular observation allows gardeners to understand how plants react to different conditions. If growth appears steady and leaves maintain healthy color, it usually indicates that nutrition levels are balanced. Gradual improvement is often a sign that plants are developing properly. Natural nutrition also helps maintain soil structure over time. Unlike harsh inputs that may disturb microbial balance, organic sources encourage ongoing soil improvement. As organic materials break down slowly, they contribute to long-term fertility. This means that each application not only supports current plant growth, but also enhances future soil quality. Another important factor is maintaining moderation. Plants do not always require large quantities of nutrients to perform well. In many cases, excessive feeding can lead to overly rapid growth that weakens plant structure. Balanced nutrition allows plants to develop at a pace that matches their natural biological processes. Strong internal structure helps plants support future fruit production more effectively. Observation plays a key role in determining appropriate nutrition timing. When plants begin forming new leaves consistently and stems show stable extension, it indicates that the plant is actively using available resources. Providing mild natural support during this stage encourages continued development without placing stress on the plant system. Natural nutrition should be seen as a supportive process rather than a quick solution. Gradual feeding promotes long-term stability, allowing plants to adapt naturally to environmental conditions. When nutrition is applied with patience and consistency, plants often develop stronger defense mechanisms and improved growth balance. April presents an opportunity to guide plant development carefully. Early support through balanced natural nutrition helps plants establish a strong foundation that continues benefiting growth throughout the season. When plants receive appropriate nourishment during their active stage, they are more likely to maintain steady progress, produce healthier foliage, and generate more reliable harvest results. Providing nutrition at the correct time is not about maximizing short-term growth. It is about encouraging plants to build the internal strength needed for sustainable productivity. Careful and consistent feeding during April can significantly influence how plants perform in the months that follow, making this stage an important part of achieving long-term garden success. 3. Create a simple growth system. After preparing the soil and providing balanced natural nutrition, the next step is creating a simple growth system that allows plants to develop in a stable and supportive environment. Many gardeners often believe that better results come from constantly changing methods, trying new products, or adjusting routines frequently. However, plants respond best to consistency. Stability allows plants to focus their energy on growth rather than adaptation. A growth system does not need to be complicated to be effective. In fact, simple and repeatable routines often produce the most reliable results. Plants depend on predictable conditions. When watering patterns, soil conditions, and environmental factors remain relatively stable, plants are able to regulate their internal processes more efficiently. This leads to healthier leaf development, stronger stems, and improved root expansion. One of the most important parts of a simple growth system is balanced watering. Water plays a critical role in nutrient movement within the soil. When watering is inconsistent, plants may experience stress that slows development. Excess water can reduce oxygen availability in the soil, while insufficient water can limit nutrient absorption. Maintaining moderate and consistent moisture helps create a supportive root environment. Soil should remain slightly moist without becoming overly saturated. This balance encourages roots to grow deeper in search of moisture, strengthening the plant's foundation. Another important factor is observing environmental conditions. Sunlight exposure directly influences plant energy production. Plants use light to produce the energy required for growth processes. Ensuring that plants receive appropriate sunlight helps maintain steady development. Some plants require more direct light, while others perform better in partial light conditions. Understanding the needs of specific plants helps create an environment where growth continues without unnecessary stress. A simple growth system also includes regular observation. Observing plants allows early detection of changes in leaf color, growth speed, or overall plant structure. Small adjustments can then be made before issues become more significant. Observation does not require complex tools. Simply paying attention to plant appearance and soil condition often provides useful information. Leaves that maintain consistent color and structure usually indicate balanced conditions. Consistency in care reduces the need for frequent correction. When soil conditions remain stable and watering patterns are predictable, plants adapt more efficiently. Sudden changes can interrupt plant development and create unnecessary stress. Gradual and steady care supports natural growth cycles. Plants prefer environments where conditions do not fluctuate drastically. Another advantage of a simple growth system is that it saves time and effort over the long term. Complex routines can become difficult to maintain regularly. Simple systems are easier to follow consistently. When a routine becomes manageable, it is more likely to be maintained throughout the season. Consistency plays a major role in achieving stable plant performance. Simple systems also encourage better understanding of plant behavior. When fewer variables are changed at once, it becomes easier to recognize what influences plant growth positively. This allows improvements to be made gradually. Learning how plants respond to stable conditions builds confidence and increases long-term success in gardening. April is an ideal time to establish this type of system because plants are entering an active growth stage. Early structure and care routines helps guide development in a positive direction. When plants experience stability in the early stages, they often continue growing steadily throughout the season. Stable conditions allow plants to invest energy in producing healthy leaves, strong stems, and productive structures. A simple growth system does not require expensive equipment or complicated schedules. It focuses on maintaining balance between soil, water, and environmental exposure. Balanced care supports gradual improvement. Over time, plants become more resilient and capable of adapting to minor environmental changes. Creating a stable system early reduces the need for corrective measures later. Plants that develop under consistent conditions often require less intervention. They maintain stronger internal balance and demonstrate more predictable growth patterns. This reliability contributes to improved productivity and a more satisfying gardening experience. Success in plant growth is often the result of small actions performed consistently rather than occasional major changes. Establishing a simple and stable growth system in April creates a supportive environment that continues benefiting plants throughout the entire season. Consistency, observation, and balanced care allow plants to develop naturally and reach their productive potential. Great harvests are not created by chance. They are created by timing, preparation, and consistent care. April gives every gardener a valuable opportunity to influence the entire growing season before it fully begins. When soil is prepared properly, plants develop stronger roots. When nutrition is balanced, growth becomes steady and healthy. When a simple system is followed consistently, plants produce more reliable and abundant results. Small actions repeated at the right time often create the biggest differences. The garden always responds to patience, observation, and thoughtful effort. What you start in April can continue supporting plant growth for many months ahead. More stability in the beginning often leads to more productivity in the end. Continue improving your soil. Continue supporting natural growth, and continue building simple systems that work. Subscribe to Global Plant Academy for practical plant knowledge, natural methods, and simple experiments designed to help you grow healthier plants and more productive harvests. Because sometimes, one small improvement in the garden can influence the entire season.